Hi, my lovely Leos. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Leos, first and foremost, let me wish you a very, very happy New Year. Not New Year, sorry. A very, very happy birthday, guys. May this year be the bestest year of your life. May this year bring lots of peace, bliss, abundance, happiness, love, and lots of good health to you guys. Okay, it's your season. Rock it, kill it, have a blast. Okay, so guys, as always, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of August 2024. Please note it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling the message, there were a couple of messages that I was getting. One of them that was getting repeated was Six of Pentacles. Okay, that card kept on repeating, and it told me that some of you guys, whatever hard work you have put in up until now, okay, be it personally, be it professionally, it's going to pay off now. It's like payback time. You're going to reap the benefits of whatever efforts and whatever blood sweat that you have put into something. Some of you guys are going to get these benefits in terms of money, monetary benefits, or in terms of materialistic forms. Okay, maybe your investment, like that you had you had done long ago and forgotten about it, is maturing up. Maybe if you had lent huge sum of money, like a big sum of money to someone, and that person was delaying up until now, you're going to get that money. That person will come and lend you that money. That person will come and not borrow. That person will come and repay your money, is what I meant. Okay, success is on cards for you guys. Okay, yes, the going was tough. You have ruffled some tough times, bad days. You have literally braved some hard days, but at the end of it, you are going to emerge victorious, is what I'm getting. And that's why the success or the victory sounds even more sweeter for you guys. Okay, or to you guys. Chariot card, Cancer in energy showing up. Strength card, your own energy showing up, Leo energy. Yeah, there's going to be progress in terms of someone's career, is what I'm getting. Also guys, there could be someone might be taking upon a new role, or starting a new project, or assignment. Okay, definitely start of something new. In terms of, I didn't see a new job altogether, but a new project is what I strongly sense for some of you guys. Some of you guys, just be little careful that someone might be double timing you. Okay, maybe if you are dating, or if you are seeing someone, that person could already be married, or that person could be having multiple partners. It's not just you whom they are interacting with or flirting with. Okay, that's what I was getting very, very strongly. So just be very careful about this person. Some of you guys might not be in touch with someone. You have blocked someone. Someone is going through terrible heartache, and maybe you're seeing an astrologer or a tarot reader for that matter. Or someone might be in need of help, like professional help, to get over through this heartbreak, whatever it is. One thing for sure that I forgot to mention was the change card kept on showing up in this fortune tellers deck, and as well as the tower card showed up. And tower card is all about sudden changes and life changing events. Okay, so let's see if we get if we get tower card in your main energy, then we'll get more clarity over it. Okay, so those were quite a lot of messages coming out there, guys, and quite a lot different messages over there. And I think we have already spoken a lot about the pre-shuffling energy. Okay, we have We have a divine counterpart over here. Ace of Coins, new job for some of you guys, marriage. Okay, I'll stop because the reading is really, really lengthy. Anyway, your current, your health card. Let me just quickly see the cards. We are good, right? Yeah. So the health card is showing up as Ten of Cups. I see a lot of emotions. Okay, basically someone is very, very emotional for sure, because there is King of Cups in your current energy. There was Knight of Cups, strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have this in your birth chart, or you're dealing with a fellow water sign. Anyway, nevertheless, some of you guys are having best of both worlds. Like you are actually living a very perfect and kind of a life, okay, wherein you are able to invest in your health, wherein you are able to take care of your health, of yours as well as your loved ones, okay. Or there could be someone in your family who is very mindful about your health, who is very caring, who is very nurturing, okay. I also feel that you as a family are very, fitness conscious or health conscious. If you are a parent, okay, then you and your spouse are very particular about what your kids are eating, their eating habits. You are ensuring that they are not indulging into any junk food, and you all are, following fitness to the T, as a family. These are your family goals to stay fit, okay. Maybe you guys go for hikes together, maybe you guys exercise together, maybe you guys, make it a point that you all are eating healthy, okay. So family goals is what I'm seeing in terms of health for some of you guys, which is a very rare thing, but which is a very good thing to know, okay. So your health overall looks good to me. It's just that I see a lot of emotions for someone over here, so please be little mindful in terms of, in terms of your more than physical, in terms of your emotional health, okay. Someone might be very touchy feely, and might be getting overtly emotional, and be crying at the, like for example, crying at the drop of a hat, okay. That kind of energy is what I'm sensing very, very strongly. And it happens, there are phases. We go through different phases. So I think you are in that phase wherein you are extremely emotional right now, which is absolutely okay, Leos. Everyone goes through that. And even if you're fire sign, well, emotions is an integral part of human beings, and you are experiencing those, and why shouldn't you, okay. So that's your health card, guys. Nothing glaring. In fact, all good things is what I'm getting over here in terms of your health. And touch wood, okay. It's an inspiration to know that someone is having family goals as for fitness, okay. And many of us can take a cue from that, okay. I liked it. I really liked it. Your current energy is that of King of Cups, and your um, you know crossing energy, or the blocker energy, is Four of Wands. Now here is the situation, very, very interesting one. Someone is having emotions for you, or you are having probably emotions for someone. Like you really, really truly love someone, but the thing is that you guys are not committing to each other, okay. Someone, either of you, is commitment phobic, okay. And that is the reason why your relationship is probably stuck right now, okay. And you are not moving from point A to point B, okay. It's like you guys might be knowing each other for quite some time. You might be dating each other, seeing each other. The courtship period looks like forever, okay. And somehow it's not progressing to marriage, because someone out there is probably commitment phobic. Or another thing I could see is that you could be at different places. You could be like, you are in one city and the other person is in another city, and relocation could be a problem. Both of you cannot relocate to be together, okay. And that could be the problem or hindrance in the marriage, or taking it to the next level, or to committing forever, okay. So that's what I'm getting over here, guys. Somehow the relationship is not progressing, and it's kind of upsetting you. It's kind of making you emotional. It's, you're not able to understand what it is. And that's precisely what is showing up in your advice card. You guys are actually feeling extremely stuck, and you're not knowing what to do. You're not knowing, you don't know what direction to go. You are not knowing uh, where this is headed to. Okay, let's quickly pull one clarifier for your advice. Crossroads, you have two options over here. You're not able to decide is what I'm getting. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, so very very interesting. Ace of Wands. Yeah, so guys, there is a lot of, I see there is a lot of love, there is a lot of passion in this relationship. I also feel that there could be age gap between you two guys. Okay, there is Knight of Cups as well over here in your energy. Yeah, so there could be an age gap, and that's the reason why probably someone is shying away from taking this decision. You are not able to understand what to do, and you probably are even thinking of leaving this person. Okay, you're actually contemplating leaving this person is what I'm getting, guys. Because everything is there, there's a lot of passion, there is a lot of love, but it's not headed anywhere, and you are actually contemplating leaving this person is what I'm getting very very strongly. Yeah, very very strongly. For some of you guys, you'll get an opportunity, maybe a work opportunity, but it could be at different location than you're currently based. Like for example, if you are based out of Pune, you'll get an opportunity maybe in Bangalore, in another city is what I'm getting, and you're not sure whether to take it or not. Okay, you some of you guys are definitely going through some financial crunch and crisis, and you definitely are contemplating taking up this opportunity because you don't have much of a choice is what I'm getting. Okay, that's coming for some of you guys. You are actually feeling stuck, and this opportunity is what you are is your only chance, or is your only bait currently right now is what I'm getting, guys. Yeah, and you're actually thinking a lot. Maybe you're inquiring about this opportunity, you're finding out more information about this. If not, do that. Yeah, this is an advice position. If you just don't plunge into anything, don't take any decision out of haste, or do not take any decision out of desperation. Okay, make sure you're doing your homework, make sure you're finding out more information. Okay, and then take that plunge. Okay, that's what I'm getting for some of you guys. Yeah. And for those who are stuck in a relationship, again, weigh the pros and cons and then take the decision, guys. Okay, I would say take your time. Take your time. Don't just jump into any action. I do not see any concrete this thing happening over here. Action being taken immediately. Maybe you would want to wait and see how this goes. Okay. Yeah, I feel that some of you guys might even telling the partner that, if you don't decide now, I'm just going to walk away. Okay, that's also what I'm getting over here, guys. For some of you guys, like another group of people that I'm connecting to, you are definitely dealing with the player over here, guys. Could be an Aries, not necessary, but Aries is what I'm getting strongly. You guys really need to be careful. This person might ghost you. This person might really ghost you is what I'm getting very very strongly. So just make sure that you have you find out more information about this person and then invest time into this person. Okay, just do not trust anyone blindly. And someone out there is definitely going through some financial low is what I'm getting, guys. Very very this thing, and you are kind of finding out different ways to start earning, or different sources of income. You are just figuring out ways to earn money is what I'm getting. This could be to specific someone, not everybody. Okay, yeah, it's a collective reading, always remember that in mind. Output is Justice card, Libra energy. This card actually makes me feel good, or it's giving me that relief after seeing some tumultuous energy over here. Libra card tells me that whatever things that whatever was unfair is going to iron out. You will get justice, you'll get fair deal. If you any of your paperwork was stuck, you'll get that. If you were waiting for that job offer, job letter, final letter, or if your loan work was stuck, or if you were waiting for your divorce papers for that matter, you'll get those papers through very very soon. Okay, Libra card is showing up over here, and any official documentation work or paperwork is going to come through, or it's going to proceed or progress is what I'm getting for you guys. Yeah, so overall energy is very interesting. There is Queen of Cups, which says that you guys are, divine counterparts, you are soulmates. So um mm, and there is Hierophant card also, which talks about marriage. Okay, so if not now, maybe in couple of months you will get committed. So Leos, don't worry. Okay, do not worry, do not fret. Okay, just have little patience, because there is Sagittarian energy, Temperance energy also showing up. There are so many major arcanas in your card, guys. So the angels are definitely asking you to keep patience, and things will work out in your favor. Like I told you, I was seeing Six of Wands repeatedly in your case, which means that you are going to succeed no matter what, no matter how many obstacles you go through, or you have to face. You are going to succeed in the end. I also feel that one another reason for the blocker, or why this person is not committing or is commitment phobic, or maybe you are not committing, is you could be from different caste communities, different religions altogether. That could be a blocker for some of you guys. That could be a deciding factor wherein someone is like holding back and not able to make up their mind. But eventually I feel you are going to you are going to get married. Things will progress for you guys is what I'm getting very very strongly. Some of you guys are also tapping into their spiritual side, or turning religious. Maybe you are meditating probably, or going through to temples or shrines, or whatever is your this thing, religious calling, but you are turning religious or spiritual is what I'm getting over here. More so religious is what I'm getting. Okay. Yeah, patience. You really have to have patience. Okay, I know I know it will be it must be very difficult, but yeah, even if it is late, you are going to get justice, guys. Okay, Leo's, just hang in there is what I'm getting. Nine of coin. Sorry, this is what. Yeah, this is Nine of Coins. So this is telling that you are going to get success, your dreams are going to come true, and you're going to get a lot of wealth also. There is Ace of Pentacles also, so a lot of abundance is going to come your way, some of you guys. Okay, so if you're worried about your financial position or financial situation, don't be. You are going to get a lot of money, lot of success, a lot of abundance, a lot of property, prosperity, not property, lot of prosperity. But guys, those who are looking for new job and are worried about that, don't be. Okay, there is Ace of Face right in the face, there is Ace of Swords, there was Ace of Wands here. So brand new opportunity is definitely showing up for you guys in terms of career. So that aspect is also going to be taken care of, so just don't fret. Okay, that's what I'll tell you. Expect a lot of communication coming your way. Someone might be texting a lot, maybe at night messaging someone a lot. Okay, some of you guys might also travel overseas is what I'm getting. Okay, physical communication, you guys might be traveling for business, or you might travel for vacation, travel to see your family. But overseas travel is for sure there in your cards, even if not now, maybe a couple of months down the line, 2 to 3 months down the line. Expect a lot of communication. I see a lot of emails being exchanged over something. Okay, lot of emails being exchanged over something is what I'm getting, guys. Also, someone, if you're looking for a job, I think there are going to to be a lot of maybe there could be an extra approval that is being taken for your case. Maybe you needed some extra approval or some special case kind of a thing, wherein you needed intervention from a couple of other people or people of authority, and they built an exception case, a case of exception for you guys, and lot of emails are being sent in this matter, is what I'm getting. And after all that, you're going to get this job, or you're going to get that job offer, is what I'm getting. And like I said, while pre-shuffling I was getting the success that you're going to get, it has not come to you easily, is what I'm getting. And that's why you're going to value it even more, rather you should value it even more. Okay, 10 of swords, some of you guys might be ending some cycles. 10 of swords and 3 of swords both showing up is telling me that someone definitely is going through some painful incident, event. Okay, some heartbreak, some backstabbing happening over here. I saw 4 of swords also, I told you, right? You guys might have blocked each other, someone out there. Okay, specific, there are a lot of energies in this reading, guys. It's not a specific reading for sure, and which really makes me happy as a reader, because then people get disappointed when the reading turns out to be specific. So that's why if any of this is not matching up to you, matching with you, just ignore it. Okay, just ignore it and see the next part of the reading. Okay, so yeah, someone is definitely backstabbed very badly. It has hurt you, it has pinched you, someone has actually broken your trust, is what I'm getting, guys. And it really is hurting. Okay, it really is hurting, is what I'm getting. And I truly am sorry that you have to go through it. Okay, but yeah, that's life. Let's pull one card from this beautiful deck, that is the fortune telling deck. I told you, right? I just told you, change. This card has been definitely stalking you. It was there right when I began shuffling, and I began pre-shuffling for your energy with this deck, and this was the first card that had popped out. Okay, again it is showing up over here. Someone out there is definitely in for major change, major transformation. You guys are, like I said, those who are in love or are going to get married, you guys are definitely belonging to different communities, or there's going to be some substantial change that you have to make in your life to get married to this person, or this marriage is going to bring in major change in your life. Okay, either you'll have to relocate big time, like you'll have to probably go to another country altogether, if not city, or you guys are coming from different cultural backgrounds for that matter. Okay, see, marriage in itself is a big thing. Okay, you end up going to if you're a girl, and most of the cases, girl to the guy goes to the guy's house, and two different people from different upbringings, different backgrounds come together. And if you are belonging to different caste, community, or even religion for that matter, that change goes to another level, like one level up. It levels, not even one, it levels up multifolds. Okay, and it's a different learning. Okay, it's a cultural difference. Okay, it's a huge difference, and you have to adapt to it. Okay, you need to take efforts to adapt to it, and probably that is going to happen to some of you guys. Okay, maybe you'll end up falling in love badly with someone who is not belonging to your community, and that's the reason why things might be a little delayed. But like I said, you guys are soulmates. Okay, you are divine counterparts. No matter what hurdles are there in this 3D lifetime, you are bound to get together, is what I'm getting. Yeah, amazing confirmation from the angels, and wow, like just wow. I am pulling charms after a long time, like really, really long time. And let's see what we have for you guys this time. Believe in love, of course. See, it's right over here. Believe in love, and everything will be taken care of, guys. Don't worry. Weakness is a choice. Definitely Leos aren't weak. You are a sign of strength, okay? You are a fire sign. She believed she could, so she did. This is one of my favorite charms. It talks about hopes, it talks about beliefs, and it talks about miracles, and self love, everything very positive. Wish. Yeah, yeah, you are someone's wish come true, or your wishes are going to come true, okay? No matter how impossible they seem, your dreams are going to be fulfilled, Leos. That thing I'm getting very very strongly. Live your dream. Yeah, go on and live your dream is what the angels are saying. Don't worry about anything. Don't fear, don't be afraid, don't fear anything. And just let universe take its course, okay? Just let law do its work, okay? Just keep on believing and chasing your dreams, okay? um what is this? I love you to the moon and back. Yeah, someone loves you to the moon and back, guys. Or you love someone very very deeply, and that's evident. We are having marriage right at the heart of this thing. And no matter how many hurdles, no matter what challenges, no matter what caste or whatever location, no bars at all, you are going to unite, okay? Because love is at the foundation of your bond, and it's going to conquer everything. Though it sounds very filmy or cliched, that's what is the energy that your bond is holding over here, and I'm just rendering it, okay? Whether you want to believe it or not. And the letter Y, if at all you it clicks, it strikes any chord. Maybe this is Y for yes, maybe Y for it's an initial for your person or someone you know, okay? But initial Y has shown up. To me, this is looking as a big fat yes for someone out there. Leos, it was quite an interesting reading, guys. I really liked this reading because there were so many different messages, and this last part I had really not expected. It is so much confirming the tarot messages that I was getting related to someone's relationship. Okay, so guys, if at all any of this matches with you and it's making sense, do let me know, guys. Drop comments, or just ping me. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, because it helps my channel grow, and I truly want to grow now, okay? So I'll see you next one directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.